Hey adventurers! Welcome to Katch Keisha's travel channel, your passport to the world's hidden gems. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to a land where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine, Afghanistan. Afghanistan, often portrayed through a singular lens, holds wonders that few have had the privilege to explore. From its ancient Silk Road heritage to its diverse landscapes, this country is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Our first stop is Herat, a city that whispers tales of antiquity. Once a thriving center of Persian culture and commerce, Herat boasts architectural masterpieces like the Herat Citadel, standing resilient through centuries. The Friday Mosque, with its intricate tile work, showcases the zenith of Islamic art. As we wander through its bustling bazaars, the aroma of saffron and the melody of craftsmen at work transport us back in time. Journeying east, we arrive in Bamiyan, once home to the towering Buddha statues carved into cliffs, a testament to Afghanistan's Buddhist heritage. Though the statues no longer stand, the site remains a symbol of cultural resilience. Nearby, Band-e Amir National Park awaits with its series of azure lakes. Their colors so vivid they seem otherworldly. It's a haven of tranquility, where nature's artistry is on full display. For the intrepid traveler, the Wakhan Corridor offers an unparalleled adventure. This narrow strip of land, nestled between towering peaks, is home to nomadic communities who have preserved their way of life for centuries. Trekking through this region, we encounter yurt settlements, share stories with the Wakhi and Kyrgyz people, and witness a landscape untouched by time. Hidden in the heart of Ghor province stands the Minaret of Jam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rising over 60 meters, this 12th century masterpiece is adorned with elaborate brickwork and Kufic inscriptions, reflecting a period when the Ghurid Empire was at its zenith. Its remote location adds to its mystique, making the journey here feel like a true expedition. No journey is complete without savoring the local flavors. Afghan cuisine is a delightful fusion with dishes like Kabuli pulao, a fragrant rice dish with tender lamb, raisins, and carrots, tickling the palate. Sharing a meal here is more than just eating. It's an experience of unparalleled hospitality, where stories are shared and friendships are forged over steaming cups of green tea. As our journey through Afghanistan comes to a close, we're reminded of the profound beauty and rich tapestry of cultures that define this land. It's a place where the past and present coexist, offering adventures that stir the soul. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and book your next dream vacation with the link in the bio. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.